Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, you like the things we're going over in the cryptocurrency markets, and you want to be updated on a regular basis, please join us on YouTube by going to our YouTube channel and hitting the subscribe button. If you like what Akash and I are talking about, you want to keep updated with what we do, you can follow Akash on Twitter at Mangyeko and myself at JustAnalysis1. Taking a look at Ethereum here. Ethereum, it did make a new all-time high on Wednesday. And then yesterday we had some selling pressure kind of moving on today. It reached, 4,500 is the 6 and 8 fib expansion from a previous swing that we've looked at. And so far things are sitting pretty good here. There is up ahead on the 10th, there is a Kumo twist. So depending on how Ethereum is trending, the 10th of November could be an interesting swing range if it continues to move in this current direction. Really not looking at any major changes here as far as what I'm looking at. I still see 5,550 as the next primary zone that we would reach before there'd be a lot of selling pressure. So yeah, not really any major changes from what we discussed on Tuesday. The optics bands are neutral here, very very similar to what we just discussed on Bitcoin. Obviously Ethereum's trending a little bit more higher than Bitcoin is. Bitcoin's more sideways, but oscillator wise things are very neutral here, and I just don't see any reason to change the thesis or the outlook. The only thing that would make me bearish is if there was some type of close below the daily Tenkan Sen at 4,300, and then that might push down to 4K even, 4,000 even, but otherwise things look fairly, but it doesn't look like anything's going to change for right now. We'll see what the weekend brings. Weekends can cause a lot of havoc, so we'll see what happens. But otherwise, really no major changes for me and my Ethereum outlook. I'll pass it off to you, Akash. Tell us what you can see.
Definitely. I think we're at that point where it consolidates and it feels like we're repeating ourselves again and again. But yeah, I see. So the last time we discussed, I was talking about this parallel channel. Let me just turn off the log. Right, and I mentioned that it kind of moved out of this channel twice, and we're somewhere over here, and since then Ethereum set up a new high at 46, approximately 47, and on a daily time frame you can see the MR indicator flashing a sell signal here, and this could be it. We may not see a lot of red candles here, although the MRI forecast like 1 to 4 red candles after this sell signal is formed. I don't see it going down, but as Jonathan mentioned, right, I have a similar support level here at roughly 4,300. If we do break that, then I believe we're revisiting this particular candle here. Let me just change this from a 4-hour to 1 day. Yeah, so we're going to be visiting this demand zone here, which ranges from 3,900 to 4,100. That's where Ethereum is going to find support. But like I mentioned in my previous video, which is the Bitcoin one, if Bitcoin does breach below 56K, this is the equivalent of 56K for Bitcoin, right? And if we breach this, and if Bitcoin breaches 56K, we're probably going to 53K. In that particular scenario, then I'm expecting Ethereum to come down to 3,600 in an extremely bearish case, retest the 6-2 fib here at 3,300. I'd probably wick down to 3,200, where
that's with a breach of 4K. You see it going down to between to 36. Is that right?
Yeah, but if it does breach this, then I'm looking at 36 to 32 as the next support area.
All right, cool.
Yeah, as for the upside, I'm looking at 5K, obviously, the next psychological level. I don't want to overextend my targets to 161 fib here, just because things are looking really consolidative in nature. So yeah, this is my upside, the max I can do. for the upside. For the downside, it's 3,200.
Sounds good. All right. Well, thank you very much for that, Akash. Again, if you guys like what we're talking about, you want to be updated, join us. And please don't forget to hit that the join button and like and subscribe.